Good morning and greetings from the 50 by the sea, Dehevala, Sri Lanka. Today is the 13th of October 2023. Times ago, the word called kickstarting and self-starting. Those days, the olden day bikes and even motor cars need to put something from front of the engine and turn it to start. But today is a self-start, just electronically. And generally, whether it's a bicycle or a motorcycle, a car, when you are running daily basis, you have to attend to daily running repairs, naturally, wear and tear. And today's modern vehicles have so much of sensors. Even the vehicle which I have, right around sensors are there. Even somebody get close to the vehicle, some sensors get activated. If there is a tire, air is low, immediately a sensor get activated. Automatically when it rains, the wipers get activated. So the modern day cars and every vehicle has that kind of sensors, just to showcase where something is wrong somewhere or something need to be activated. If you look at our human body, has the largest amount of sensors, probably trillions, because we are consisting of trillions of atoms, molecules and cells and tissues. And our body has 248 organs, 600 muscles, 206 bones, exactly 365 main arteries. Now, ladies and gentlemen, daily basis, I remember I walk in the morning for about 2 hours now. Early morning, I get up around about 4 o'clock. And I enjoy this, and because I can meditate and do so many things when I'm walking. Early hours of the morning. But when I do that, I can see that there are so many sensors get activated. From the top of my head to the bottom of my feet. From the skull of my head to the sole of my heel. Everywhere. And that's absolutely true for us. Without waiting a major breakdown to happen, if you and I can attend to the running repairs, as the sensors of the body alert us, all the time body speaks to us. Do you know? Our body speaks to us continuously, on a minute by minute, hour by hour, even second by second. But if you ignore when the body speaks to you, because you are not attending to the running repairs. And if you are not attending the running repairs, you will be ahead of a major breakdown. Not only in our human body, in our business, in our countries, and that's what we see in the Middle East as well. When certain sensors get activated and alert us, we need to make sure that we are attending to the running repairs. Even the most strongest nation like Israel blundered and they failed when the sensors get activated and alerted them to ensure that running repairs in place. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to make sure that the running repairs are attended to, make sure that you continue to go in your journey strongly and as well as enrichingly to you. Blessings to you all.